Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to old layout of Facebook using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Facebook on Google Chrome. Now, you have to type in www.facebook.com and the address bar, click on it and give your login details and you're in. Now, you have to open the new tab and search for Web Store. After you search for Web Store, you can see a few options. You have to tap on the first option, Chrome Web Store. Once you go into the Chrome Web Store, there's the option for search extensions and themes. There you have to type in Classic Facebook Design and click on Enter. There you can see all layout for Facebook option at the top. Then you have to go to all layout option. There you can see beside all layout for Facebook option, there's add to Chrome. Now click on it and a message web prompt to add extension or cancel. I'm gonna have to add extension. It's gonna take a few seconds and they're gonna ask you if you really want to do that. Now you have to go to Facebook option and look at the top right corner. There's an add extension option. Now you can see all layout for Facebook is there. You have to pin it and it's gonna appear on your screen. Now tap on it and allow pop-up to appear. They're asking to reload the Facebook to see the pop-up again. Now we're gonna refresh the Facebook. And guys, there you go. Here's the old layout of Facebook on your Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.